Assalamu alaikum class. I'm your English teacher. Today I'm here because today I will explain Unit 3 Health is Wealth. Health is real wealth. Open page number 18. I'm going to start first para. Look at here. Health is wealth is a proverb which means a lot to us. We can say that a happy is directly proportional to health. Our life is a simple biological cycle which depends on what we eat to survive. A strong mind and healthy body make a complete being. A wealthy person is not the one who has money, but the one who has health. According to famous poet Ralph Waldo Emerson, the first wealth is health. We must take care of several things if we want to stay healthy. Manufacturers play a part in keeping us healthy. For example, air, water, and sunlight. Fresh air helps us to strengthen our immune system. It regulates our body pressures, our blood pressures, and heart rate. It clears our lungs and makes us healthy. At at the same time, sunlight helps our body to produce vitamin D. Now open page number 19. Look at here, second paragraph. Drinking plenty of clean water keeps us healthy and hydrated. We need to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Whereas impure water is the biggest cause of several diseases. Above all, a balanced diet provides our body with all necessary nutrients in the correct proportion so that our body could functions properly. Our regular meal should have a balanced proportions of carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins, minerals, and water. Nutritious and fiber-rich food, example, fruit and green vegetables, not vegetables. Its correct pronunciation is vegetables are also play an important role in our overall health. Green vegetables are sources of vital nutrients. Third paragraph, fiber-rich food. Fiber से भरपूर खाना. Fiber-rich food such as whole grain, wheat, bran, etc. help us to improve our digestive system. Physical exercises and sports are also very important in order to keep the body. Healthy exercise helps blood to circulate properly. We should never forget a famous saying, prevention is better than cure. एहतियात इलाज से बेहतर है. In terms of staying healthy with the help of exercise. Lastly, cleanliness is the key to health. Without cleanliness, it is very difficult to maintain proper health. We should clean our house, our surrounding areas every day to avoid home, flies, and other insects. Our food needs to be covered simultaneously. Personal hygiene is also compulsory. We should take a bath daily. We should wash our hands with soap after eating something and after using the toilets. We should brush our teeth twice a day to keep our mouth clean and free of disease. We should go for a morning walk and to have fresh airs. Getting up early in the morning is equally necessary for good health. If we want to maintain our health, we should follow the principle early to bed and early to rise make a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Listen to me carefully, class. Read this unit again. Inshallah ta'ala, next video I will explain in Urdu. If there any confusion, you can ask me.